Get back in there. Get back in your bath. You're not going to take a bath anymore? I need a better spot. Can't really get a good shot. I need to turn down Letterman. Hold on, I'm coming. Really, you're done? That's it? No. Jeez, you're a slob. I guess I should open that part. Why am I doing in there? Oh my God. Jesus. She's bathing in her water bowl, where she usually drinks. You're getting all the paper wet. You need more water in there? There's probably not much left. You feel better? Is that good? Going back. You know you're getting all this paper soaked. And back down. Yep. That was fresh water. Not anymore. Where'd you go? And back down. Would you like me to put more water in it? I'm sure there's not hardly any in there now. She's getting out. You have enough? Is that good? You feel fresh? I know the ladies like to be fresh. There you go. Thank you. Alright. She has bathed herself. I'm done. Turn around, I'll show you, Reyes. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.